Hello everyone, I'm Julia Gogo. Today, I'd like to share about my home country, Myanmar. Myanmar is located in Southeast Asia. Myanmar is the largest country in border Bangladesh, India, China, Laos, and Thailand. There are famous pagodas like Chittagong, Kaithio, and Mandalay Nyamuni pagoda in Myanmar. Buddhism is the main religion. People celebrate Shinkan festival and religious festival. Burmese food are very delicious. There are mohinga, chan noodles, and Lepeto. Myanmar is a 135 ethnic group. Myanmar is a very beautiful country, and I want to invite tourists to visit Myanmar. Bye bye.